said, son, now can you sing a little bit more clear? Said your voice might be too genuine, the song's a little too sincere. Can you sing a little more about outlaws and the way things used to be? Told me you just worry about writing them songs, leave everything else to me. Daddy was a highwayman, but never wrote any old country song. Papa never stayed out raising hell till the break of dawn. But he raised a proud coal miner's daughter, and I'm proud to be her son. She told me, boy, I don't care if you hit it big, because you're already number one. That's the way it goes this day and age. Said you ain't gotta read between the lines, and you just gotta turn the page. Well, I'm on outlaw thing and I ever done. Give a good woman a ring, and that's the way it goes. Life ain't fair and the world is mean. Well, I still got the wife and the dog, but I swapped my truck out for a bank. I'm gonna hit the road, finally into that long white line in the promised land. You won't hear my song on the radio, new sounds on the rage. You can always find me in a smoking bar, bad sound and a dim lit stage. That's the way it goes this day and age. Said you ain't gotta read between the lines, and you just gotta turn the page. Well, no outlaw thing that I ever done to give a good woman a ring. That's the way it goes. Life ain't fair and the world is mean. That's the way it goes. Life ain't fair and the world is mean. There it is. All right. Well, I've been spending all my money on weed and pills, trying to write a song that'll pay the bills, but it ain't came yet, so I guess I'll have to rob a bank. I guess it could be worse, it ain't that bad. At least I ain't sitting in no Baghdad in the middle of a hot damn desert, sitting in a tank. Well, every time the wife talks, baby gets mentioned. I'm so broke I can't pay attention. Lord, how it tears me up to see her cry. Oh, I've been spending all my nights on the internet, looking for a clue but ain't found one yet. Just a bunch of Mopars, guitars, and other stuff I can't buy. Well, now, if you can hear me, won't you throw a damn dog a bone? 'Cause if the devil shows up with a better deal, the souls are going down. Oh, I sing them real pretty, sing them real sad, and all the people in the crowd say ain't half bad. Well, they call me King Turd up here on Shit Mountain. If you want it, you can have the crown. Watching Andy and old Boss Hog, I guess I ought to get up and go out and find a job. Instead of sitting on the couch trying to find the next line, I'm sure there's gotta be a better use of my time, like figuring out which one of these banks I'm gonna go rob. Well, the name of the game is hurry up and wait, but that ain't putting no food on my plate or gas in my car, and I drive a Bronco. So Lord, if I could just get me a record deal, I might not have to worry about my next meal, but I'll still be trying to figure out what the hell rhymes with Bronco. Well, now, Lord, if you can hear me, won't you throw a damn dog a bone? 'Cause if the devil shows up with a better deal, this whole souls are going down. Oh, I sing them real pretty, sing them real sad, and all the people in the crowd say ain't half bad. When they call me King Turd up here on Shit Mountain, if you want it, you can have the crown. They call me King Turd up here on Shit Mountain, if you want it, you can have the crown. Two, three, four. Well, things have been a little complicated. While the tea life has got me down, Well, sex is cheap and the talk is overrated, and the boys and me still working on the sound. Well, a little happiness, a little love was all I wanted. Sure as hell thought I'd found it, but I was wrong. She left my heart feeling taunted, and my memories all haunted. But it's her I have to thank.